Okay, good day. This is a Revolution FX strategy speaking, and this is yet another recap of our signals. As you can see, mostly we are trading indices. So we started this week on the 6th of November, and we took a UK 100 sale. And as you can see, this is the setup. We're expecting the market to drop from there, but because of this Quasimodo, the market actually on a lower time frame started to break the structure. So I had to instruct the students to close the trade before it actually moved, because I was monitoring it on a smaller time frame. Okay, and then this is what happened. As you can see, if I hadn't actually instructed the students to close, it would have actually triggered the stop loss. Okay, so we continued again. We took a German 30 buy on the second day, German 30 buy, and then based on this level here, as you can see, this is a demand zone right here. We expect the market to actually retrace and go all the way up to the supply area. And this is what the market did. And as you can see, it started going all the way up. And after that, it went all the way up to actually the supply zone. Okay, then we took a S&P 500 sale and Nasdaq also a sale. Okay, as you can see, here are the setups right here, and within a short while Nasdaq was in profits, S&P 500 was also in profits. Okay, and what I always recommend is that whenever you are happy, always take profit. No one ever got broke by taking profit. Okay, so after that, we took a UK 100 sale, and then again, lower time frame broke the market structure. So I had to actually tell the students, cut the losses before the market actually make a move and blow either account or hit stop loss or put people into more loss. So I had to cut the loss on this one before the market made a big move. Then we did an AUD CAD sale. I had actually stopped trading currencies, but when you look at this setup of AUD CAD, it was so good, so that we had to actually take it. Okay, so because in the previous one also we had a good AUD CAD buy setup. Now on this one here, we have a good AUD CAD sale setup. So that's why I gave this one as a sale. And we took a Nasdaq buy, S&P 500 buy. And as you can see, these are the setups right here. And Nasdaq, all of them, they were in blues. Okay, as you can see, this is a US 500. Okay, and we've got here Nasdaq, they are all in blues. Okay, so our AUD CAD and is also falling. Okay, so all in all, the market is doing very well. The signals are doing very well. So I made another entry before I exited when the market started to reach the resistance zone. So as you can see, I added a few more positions there. Okay, and then here, that was AUD CAD destroyed. Okay, so now on the 9th, we took a Nasdaq buy, S&P 500 buy, and as you can see, it is still the same setup that we took on the previous day, which went into the profit, and then now it's still a valid buy. Okay, so and then after that we added a German 30 buy. Okay, so we are now running 3 signals, and then German 30, as you can see, is based on our RFX strategy. And then we're expecting this one to be extremely bullish because it met all the requirements of our RFX strategy. Okay, so the market here was trying also to break the structure on a lower time frame, but higher time frame like daily and H4, they were very bullish. Okay, so within a few minutes, as you can see, Nasdaq was in profit, US 500 in profit, German 30 was in profit. Okay, so all these signals still flying in good profit. Here we've got the US 500, as you can see, was in profit. We have got the Nasdaq here in profit. And then the one that outperformed everyone here was the German 30. As you can see, that it flew all the way up. Okay, it actually flew. And then these are the results for the students that they are trading their own setups that they feel comfortable trading. Okay, so the update here, as you can see, Nasdaq in good profit, and German 30 flew all the way up. And then we've got S&P 500. It also flew all the way up. Okay. Now, before I exited, so I had to give the students the setup now on a daily to show that this market, even though it might retrace, it is still, according to our RFX strategy, a very bullish market. It is still a very bullish market on daily. As you can see, this was our entry on H4, but daily also supported a very strong bullish move. And the same thing on US 500. Okay, so as you can see, I wrote RFX on D1. So on German 30, I was happy with my profits. I was satisfied with this move, so I got out of the market. And as you can see, German 30, I'm out family. Okay, so I was left with NAS 100 and then US 500. But because I knew that daily was actually at the entry and also at the key resistance zone, so I had to get out of the market before the market can actually retrace. And then a daily time frame retracement can be a lot of pips, so it might wipe out your whole account. Okay, so this was the end of the 9th of November. As you can see, we processed some withdrawals there. So after processing some withdrawals on Friday, I didn't take any trades. So this was just an update on the analysis of the indices that I gave on the 9th of the US 100, which is a Nasdaq, and then we've got US 500. Okay, so these were the charts that I sent on the 9th. And then now this is the move that the market made. As you can see, it retraced before actually becoming very bullish. And also here, it did the same thing. It made a retracement before shooting all the way up. Okay, so the I said it because the market had given us the overall market directional bias. We can't enter trades, especially indices on D1. But we scale the market down using the RFX strategy on multi-time frame analysis until we get a perfect entry on smaller time frame. So what this actually means is that when you see that daily has given you an overall market directional bias, maybe a bullish move, so you go to the smaller time frame and start to look for buy setups using our RFX strategy, so that to get early into the market and avoid a drawdown. Okay, so what happened here, as you can see now, this is on H1. This is Nasdaq and H1. As you can see, it gave us our perfect strategy for a buy. And then this one here is S&P 500 on H1. As you can see, for some who are comfortable taking on H1, they would have taken a perfect buy on H1, okay, in the direction of the higher time frame, which is in this case a daily time frame. But for others who wanted to enter early, could have actually entered Nasdaq on 30 minutes using the same principle, same analysis of our strategy. So if you wanted to enter earlier than 1 hour, you can do it on, you could have done it on 30 minutes. So you are scaling down using the same strategy. Okay, and then, or if you wanted to enter even earlier than 30 minutes, you could have actually checked the setup on 15 minutes. So which means now the market actually gives you an opportunity to enter early into the market in the direction of the higher time frame. In this case, that was in the direction of a daily time frame. Okay, so now at the conclusion, I say this is what we mean by multi-time frame analysis. So you go to a higher time frame, establish the overall market directional bias, and then you scale all the market down all the way to a smaller time frame so that you get a precise or a sharp entry using the same principles that we use to trade. Okay, so I hope this one here helps someone out there who is struggling with consistency, multi-time frame analysis, and analyzing the market. And if you would like to join our VIP channel, the number is there. You can give us a WhatsApp call or send a message or a Telegram message. Then we will get in touch with you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, family.